So today we will see how to restore a course in DIU BLC Blended Learning Center and give guest access to it. So here is the course Computer Fundamental. This is the restoring file. At first we have this. Uh, then I want to restore this one. So at first I want to activate my VPN. This is a VPN extension. Anyone I can activate this. Okay, the VPN is activated. Now let's see elearn.daffodiluniversity.edu.bd. Now my BLC is coming. Okay, I have to log in first. So here is my username and I have also given my password. Now it is still loading. Now here is the course UF 101. This is also computer fundamental. I want to restore this course. So already this course is have many resources I have added, but I want to add new thing. So I am clicking on this restore button. So here I will put the restored file. I can just drag and drop it. Correct. Or you can also click here to choose file. Then this file has come here. Then I am clicking on restore. Okay. Just I will go through here and click continue. Then I want to merge the course with my previous file. So I am clicking here. There are more options, but I am clicking here because I want to merge my course. So I am clicking here. Okay, just next. Perform restore. It restored. If I continue, then the course is restored. Okay. Here is another teacher's name, and here is my name and my info starts from here, and there are more videos and other things. So after that I can edit this. That will be shown in another time. Now I want to give guest access. For this I will click here to more, and I will click here for the users, and here this is open here guest access. I click here. If this course is already given access to guests, if this is make no, then no guest can see this. If I make it yes, then guest can access this course, and I can also give a password by clicking here, and I am not giving password here. If I press select yes and save change, then this course will be accessible by guests. And here is the course, and when I will give the link to others, then this will be shown to guests, and who is not enrolled in this course, he will be able to see this course. Thank you.